Okay, guys, so I've been practicing karate at this place called Kickpoint, and so last time it was my second time there. And today, guess what I got? You probably don't know what this is, but let's see if you can guess. So I'm going to put it here. And okay, I'm going to give you a hint. It's something from there. I don't know where to open this, so oh, there's a white thing right here. I'm sorry about it, but I can't put it away. Let's just get up to opening. Okay, guys, I'm having trouble to open it, so I'll see you when I open it. Guys, I opened it, but not completely. Let me just finally. I'm excited. Oh my god. So first, a Kickpoint backpack. So let's open that first. Actually, let's open everything later. So then it's this box. Whoa. Come here. Okay. So. Whoa. That's so cool. A karate white belt and the the suit. Also, what's this? A t-shirt, Kickpoint. Whoa, it's exactly my size. And this book. Okay, so first thing what I see is this karate thingy. I have no idea what this is, but I'll just keep it in the book. Oh, I think I know what this is. So like, first I have to put my picture, I have to write my name, then I have to write my dojo, stickers, thingy thing. Then it's like green, purple, belt, and so things like that. So we'll be seeing that later. Now it's this album. What the? Well, this is weird. Yeah, I guess this is just the album of the belts, what I don't really need, and there's nothing else. So first, let's open the backpack. I love backpacks, so I'll be opening that first. Hulk power. Nice. Smells like things from China. Okay. Is there anything inside? No, there's not. Is there anything in the other pocket? so this is just a backpack with no pockets, so just like for water bottle, soup, things like that. Only one for the water bottle, and just an extra one. Okay, now there's not so many things to open, so the soup left. Ow, that hurts. Open sesame. Oh, that didn't hurt this time. Well, I'm a newbie. Bam. Look at this. Why does this smell like a pool? No, kind of. Like, it smells weird. I'm not gonna open this thing. That thing is. Now the pants. This also doesn't smell like the. Are these? These are. Wait a sec. Yo, I'm gonna put all of that on. So like, get out of my way, box. But there's also a letter there, so let's put the clothes on the chair. And let's read the letter. It's in German, so yeah. I'm not good at okay. Okay, this is not a letter, this is just wait a second, I'm gonna give this to my dad. 3, 2, 1. So I'm back. And so first, what I'm going to put on is this. Oh my god, the first t-shirt I've ever had without these annoying tickets thingy. So first is, oh, wrong way. This, so look guys. Oh, I need more space. This is annoying. Oh god. Okay. Oh no, wrong way. 3, 2. Okay, you're probably thinking I'm wearing this. No. At the back is the kickman thingy. So now will be the. Oh god. The pants. Oh. Oh my god, bro. How do I do this without like so? Oh god, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so move please. Like this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm in the pants. Time for the suit. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you when I put it on. Okay, I probably look like a chef, so we'll need this thing now. So as you can see, it's the F stingy. I have another suit that's also white, but it's not an S. So 3, 2, way better, guys. Okay, so now I'll be just like this. Now I just need to adjust my backpack so I don't have to do it later. Okay. I'll show you how I look like. So first, this is how I look like. Get out of there. Here on the backpack. Better not mess with me. Okay, that was cringe. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so now yeah, I might have done a mess here, so don't. Okay, way better. I want to do a picture like. Oh God. No, I'll do a picture later. But just for fun. Okay, I did 2 pictures and that's it, guys. So bye bye.